what I want you to help me with. Interesting one, I want you to make the cheese whiz.
The cheese whiz.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I'm all for that because I absolutely love cheese. So what is the process that goes into making the cheese whiz?
Okay, so what you want to do, heat the pan.
Yes.
Add some butter.
Okay.
Like a knob of butter.
Okay.
A tablespoon of flour. Koroga.
Yeah.
Hadi shikane.
Okay.
Add some milk. Koroga hadi ianze kuwa thick.
Okay.
And then you can add like the cheddar cheese or the mozzarella.
Okay.
Just to make it more thick and now
Oh,
that's like a cheese sauce.
I'm all for that.
Yeah.
All right, now what can I use to make that sauce? A mwiko?
Yeah, muiko. Or a whisk.
A whisk.
Yeah.
A whisk would be better, yes? All right, so I'm just going to grab this whisk and come right here. And then, like he said, you just said a knob of butter. That big a knob?
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So this is just about a tablespoon, a tablespoon of butter that I put there. And then you said I add some flour. Now, I don't know if that heat is too high. You said it melts kabisa. Okay.
Make sure it melts kabisa.
So you have to make sure it melts.
And now, this is now the tricky part of this. This thing goes bad very fast.
Okay.
So what you want to do is keep on mixing while adding the milk.
Okay.
Because if you stop whisking now, utapata hizo lumps.
Oh,
it's hard to get rid of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you want to make sure that you completely eliminate getting lumps there. So I've just made sure the butter is completely melted. And like you said, I add the flour first.
Yeah.
So a tablespoon?
Yeah, a tablespoon will be fine.
A tablespoon of flour there as I mix because I want to make sure that it doesn't, stick or cause any lumps. Sorry. Now I'm just gonna.
But it'll still do.
I put a lot of that flour. I poured in by mistake. But now what you want to do is come in here. Whoopsie. Sorry. And add that milk because it got hard too fast. Sorry. Okay, I need some more. I've completely messed it. All right, keep adding. Keep adding. Yes, there you go. Thank you so much, Chef. And then you want to make sure that it just cooks.
Now uzuri now. Unaweza weka hivyo maziwa. Unaweza weka maziwa hivyo.
Yes.
But it'll still get thick at the end.
It will get thick at the end. The flour will still exactly.
So and don't add flour after tukiona ati bado ijakuwa thick.
Yeah. It's gonna become lumpy.
And also you don't want to eat raw flour.
Okay, do I need to put some salt in here?
We'll put like after the cheese.
After the cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, so may I please have the cheese there, Chef?
So
So I can use all of it?
Yeah. So what you just do, kata to this to make it easier for it to melt.
For it to melt. So I'm just gonna mix that. Now I'm not gonna stop stirring because I don't want it to get all lumpy in there. So I'm just gonna continue mixing it so that that cheese completely incorporates in there. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more cheese in there. Now, like we said, this is for those who absolutely love cheese like myself. Maybe we can have some of that mozzarella as well. Do we need some more milk in here, Chef?
Yeah, you can add because
you can keep adding milk, yeah? I put a lot of flour. So we're going to add just a little bit more milk in here just to make sure that we have that perfect wheezy, what is it called? Cheesy consistency, creamy, right? I'm going to need that milk real quick. All right, guys. Now, this is what happens when you put a lot of flour. Look at that consistency.
No, that's what you want.
Oh, my gosh. That's okay. That's okay, Chef. I don't want to put too much. Maybe I can have just a little bit more mozzarella. Yes, to have that perfect cheese whiz, like you said. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love cheese and I hope you love cheese just as much as I do. And if you do, then you're going to love this recipe. All right, Chef, now what's going on there?
Okay, so we're going to add the beef. Okay. And then you just want to brown it because you don't want to overcook it, because if you overcook it, it gets too tough.
Okay. Now, are we going to add the salt at this point?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so I can add the salt at this point, guys. That consistency is just crazy. Let me have just a little bit of that salt there on that side, please. It's right there.
What?
Thank you. So at this point is where I'm just going to add a pinch of salt, yes? Just a good pinch of salt.
Yes.
Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to catch up on our other recipes on these other videos.
And don't forget to subscribe.